3, 2, 1, go. All right, we have 3 moving quickly there. Good quick tongue action here, getting across the line under the bridge. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance partner is over with the capstone and got the foundation in the building spot. Very good quick start there. Meanwhile, on the other side, both teams have stopped moving. 2 capstones, or 2 sky stones and under the bridge. Strong start here for the number 2 Alliance as we move on.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, the Blue Alliance waste no time. They get their foundation over into the building site in the corner with a block already over and ready to build. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance, they've gotten 2 stories tall already. They're building on the 1 sky stone that they had already brought over. Oh, wow, they're up to 3, moving quickly here with the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance, they do get 2 over. Can he wiggle it down? Yes, a good little shimmy there for the Blue Alliance to help get 2 stories built. Meanwhile, they've got to back up to another 3 there for the Blue Alliance, but it's not quite keeping up with the Red Alliance 4. All right, blocks are starting to become a premium back there on the backside of the quarry. They're bringing them over. Red Alliance, they're 5 stories tall. Oh no! Appears to be a little bit of a grinding problem. Looks like they made it through. Their robots making noise there for the Blue Alliance. It wasn't making before, but they're 4 high, 1 behind there on the Red Alliance. All the robots being careful there on the backside, having to navigate traffic there for both teams. Oh wow, 1, 2, 6 and 5. Both teams building to the sky here. Great job here in this round here. We still got 52 seconds remaining in the match. They're now getting a little more scarce 4 stones, but we're getting close here to the end game. I see capstones starting to be dropped there into the depots. And we got 7 high here for the Red Alliance with a capstone coming. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance, the robot is struggling, but he's still making it. We're up to 6 high. They're trying to get that last stone to sit. Yes, and the capstone drops. Will it stay on? Yes, it stays. We're down to 13 seconds. Do they have enough time to get it out of the build site? They've got a hold of the foundation pulling. Red's looking good. They've already got both in. 3, 2, 1. Great job there. And as a Red win with a new high score.